Hey guys, what's happening? How to use airplane mode hacks to save battery and data. First of all, swipe down to your control center and enable the airplane mode, right? In low signal areas. Prevents battery drain from constant signal searching, right? And make sure to turn it on while charging, right? Charges your iPhone faster by stopping background activity, right? And you can use it as a do not disturb mode, right? Stop calls, messages, and notifications while still using Wi-Fi. And save data while using Wi-Fi. Keep cellular data off, right? While allowing internet access via Wi-Fi. And reset the network settings, right? Toggle the airplane mode on, right? On or off, excuse me, on or off to refresh your mobile network. Okay? And turn it on while sleeping to save power. And you can use GPS without data. Some offline maps like GPS apps work even in airplane mode or even Apple Maps. Okay, you could just type Apple Maps, right? And obviously keep the benefit of turning on airplane mode keeps your phone from connecting to expensive connected to expensive international network, right? And stop ads in offline apps. Many mobile games and apps won't show ads if there is no network. And reduce the radiation exposure. Some use it while carrying their phone in a pocket for peace of mind. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and catch you in the next time.